You're watching Yoga with AJ, where I'll be teaching you Surya Namaskar. So let's get started. Stretch your hands up and come first to Namaskar Mudra. Stretch your arms up, gently arch back. As you exhale, we're going to reach forward and down. And if you need to, bend your knees to get your palms down onto the mat. If you can't get your palms down on the floor, maybe you have just your fingertips down on the floor. Now we move to Ashwa Sanchalan, the equestrian pose. Step your right leg back as much as you can and rest the right knee down on the floor. Stretch the toes out behind you. Press the fingertips or the palms down and look up. Gently press the palms down, curl the right toe under, pick up the right knee. Your body is in a nice straight line. You're going to move into that plank or push-up like position by sliding the left leg back. Now gently bring the knees down. Bring your chest down between your hands, keeping the hips up and the elbows tucked into the body, and rest your chin down on the mat. Inhale and gently slide forward. Elbows are tucked in. Bend. You're going to try and look up if you can. Stretch your toes out on the mat behind you. Press the palms down into the floor. And going straight up into the inverted V. Coming back to the equestrian pose from this inverted V, just swing your leg forward between your hands and then gently place your left knee down onto the mat. Look up. You can try and have your palms down if they allow you. Gently curl your left toes under, pick up the left knee. Take a giant step forward with your left leg. Now you can either have your knees bent here, fingertips just touching the floor, or if your legs allow you, you can straighten up the legs and press the palms down. Gently draw the head into the knees. From here, we're going to reach forward, trying to come to a tabletop position, reaching to the other end of the room, gently coming up, arching back softly and bringing the arms down. Thank you for spending your time and your energy with me. You're watching Yoga with AJ.